Hello guys, so today we're going to like Lyrical Obby guys. So anyways guys, if you want to see my video, so channel, make sure to like, subscribe, start, interact. Bro, why do I keep lagging? Okay. Oh, this is from Game Pass. So anyways guys, if you want to see my video, so channel, make sure to like, subscribe. So, oh, this one's long. I want to see Demon Hunters. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay. Oh no. Oh, I like it. Are you kidding? Oh. Oh, I like this. Don't fall, guys. Bro, why don't you fly this? Hold on. Oh, what the heck? Listen to the music, guys. What the heck? Oh, I like it. Oh my god. Oh, I like this music, guys. Oh. Oh, that's awesome, guys. Next music, guys. So what are you doing? How about your tablet? Okay. Next is this soda pop, guys. I think I really found it. I found the Demon Hunters. Soda pop. Soda pop, guys. Yeah, like it. No. Why this the voice like that? Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, I really like it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Oh. Oh, guys. Oh my god. I really found the Demon Hunters, guys. But anyways, I will just being copyright, but I don't want to get copyright. I'm safe in copyrights, but no, because he keeps saying copyrights, but I don't want to get your idol. What's that idol? Super idol. Oh, this one, the Demon Hunter. Oh, there it is. Yes, yes. Oh, this is the boys. Why does the girls? Why does the boys like that? Oh, oh, I like this. I like this, guys. I think this is the Demon Hunters with Soda Pop. I really think that. Oh, I like this game. I really like this game. It's 10 out of 10, guys. But anyways, I found this Demon Hunters. Anyways, Demon Hunter looks cool. So anyways, let's found it. Let's see. But anyways, believer or your idol toxic. Let's go to toxic. It's a there's one. Oh, oh, it made me so sad. Oh, wait, let's no, 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 not that, not that. No, it's